This is a test to see which prop is more efficient, or do you want a cheaper price prop? You make the call. Thank you.
Try these two props. They're both 16/8. One's an APC and the other's a master air screw. We're going to see which is better. Do you want to spend more money on a more efficient prop or cheaper price with the master air screw? Let's do a test. Sit on this Edge 540. It's got a GMS 120 on it. And we're going to do the master air screw first with the 16/8. Do the RPM and static thrust. Let's see what happens. 16/8 master air screw. We're going to try it first. And we're going to test it with a static thrust, see what it is, and an RPM gauge. RPM. Okay, let's say 8,200. Okay, now we're going to do the static thrust. This is with the master air screw. Okay. £10, 6 ounces. Okay. Now we're going to try the APC prop. APC 16/8. We're going to test it with the same static and RPM. See what happens. Okay, it was 8,000. Okay, now let's check the static thrust. Got his gauge right there. Okay. Ready.
It's 2 ounces.
So, actually more than a pound more static thrust, right?
Yep.
That's amazing. Well, there it goes, folks. You make the decision. Cheaper price or more efficiency?
So there you have it, folks. With the APC prop, you have more thrust.